Today, we witness the fulfillment of this divine plan as Kirbon and Margaret come together to form a bond that mirrors the unity of Christ and His church. Marriage is a sacrament, a visible sign of God's invisible grace. It is a covenant that reflects the selfless and sacrificial love that Christ has for His church. Margaret and Carbon, as you embark on this lifelong journey, always remember that love is not merely a fleeting emotion, but a conscious decision to will the good of the other.
Mahal, sa 8 years, kahit pa anong mangyari, mahal na mahal kita sobra at alam mo yun kung paano ko pinapadama sa'yo. Di ako magpapagod na mahalin ka. Andito lang ako palagi. Mahal na mahal kita sobra.
Paglalaban ko talaga siya. Gusto ko patunayan sa lahat na mabuting tao siya. Sobrang buti niya po. Sobrang buti niyang anak at boyfriend po sa akin at mapapangasawa ko po. Sobrang buti niya. Kaya lagi ko siya ipagdadasal. Lagi ko siya pinagpapasalamat sa Diyos.
Pag mahal mo yung isang tao, syempre, ibigay mo lahat ng gusto niya. Suportahan mo siya sa lahat ng ano. Actually, yun naman yung ginagawa ko kay Marga at yun din yung ginagawa niya sa akin. Sinusuportaan niya ako, sinusuportaan ko siya. At nagtutulungan kami sa lahat ng bagay na kailangan naming magpagtanggumpayan namin kasi mahal namin yung isa't isa.
I think about you when I wake up before my feet hit the floor. Watch you putting on the makeup.
This is it!
And I still see you the way I did the day that we first met. After all this time, these butterflies keep turning in my chest. You still take my breath away. Take my
Kirbon and Margaret, through the sacrament of marriage, you become partners in the grace, helping each other to grow in holiness and drawing closer to God.
I still see you the way I did the day that we first met. After all this time, these butterflies keep turning in my chest. You still take my breath away. You still take my breath away. It's hard to find the words to tell you how I feel, and every time I try, you know that you still take my breath away. It's hard to find the words to tell you how I feel, and every time I try, you know that you still take my breath away.
Thank you, Ma. Sa pag-agree kay Kirby. Kapag mahal mo yung isang tao, ipaglalaban mo kasi siya yung tutulong sa'yo sa lahat ng bagay. At higit sa lahat, siya yung susuporta sa'yo. Kahit talikuran ka na ng iba, siya nandyan pa rin para sa'yo.
And I give up forever to touch you, 'cause I know that you feel me somehow. You're the closest to heaven that I'll ever be, and I don't wanna go home right now.
Siya yung taong kahit na ang daming ginawa sa'yo na hindi maganda, or kahit gaano ka kahusgahan ng mga tao, hindi niya yun ititake hindi niya yun titignan against sa'yo. Hindi niya yung dadamdamin. Sasabihin niya na lang na huwag mo na damdamin yan. Hayaan mo, husgahan ka ng ibang tao. As long as kilala mo yung sarili mo, hindi ka dapat maapektuhan doon.
And I don't want the world to see me, 'cause I don't.
I'm sure wherever he is, he's the proudest father. Sayang lang, he missed this opportunity to give away Marga. But I'm sure if he were here, mauna pa siya umiyak sa bride.
Salamat kasi kahit matigas sa ulo ko, nandyan pa rin kayo, iniintindihan ko palagi. Kahit naman mainitin ulo ko, siyempre mahal na mahal ko kayo. Lahat. Kung sakali wala siya, mawalan ulit ako ng direction, sir. Kung wala siya. Kasi parang siya yung guide ko eh. Ito yung pinaka-iintay namin eh. Matagal na namin itong gusto, sir eh, na yun, ikasal sa sa church. Kasi yun talaga yung pinakagusto namin eh, na sa simbahan talaga. At least ito, natupad naman.
Just to know you're alive, and I don't want the world to see.
Let us pray for Carbon and Margaret as they begin the sacred journey of marriage. May God's abundant blessings be upon them, guiding and sustaining them in every step they take together. Carbon, do you take Margaret here present for your lawful wife according to the rite of your Holy Mother Church?
Yes, I do.
Margaret, do you take Carbon here present for your lawful husband according to the rite of your Holy Mother Church?
Yes, I do.
And I don't want the world to see me, 'cause I don't think that they'd understand when everything's meant to be broken. I just want you to know who I am, and I don't want the world to see me, 'cause I don't think that they'd understand when everything's meant to be broken. I just want you to know who I am. I just want you to know who I am. I just want you to know who I am. I just want you